Okay, here's another video with static.
It's 9 o'clock on a Saturday. The regular crowd shuffles in. There's an old man.
You can also see as it happens with HD radio.
Making love.
It's kind of hard to tell because of the radio station. So maybe it sounds like static. And that's it.